Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we will understand the different types of update operation in a relational database and how they handle constraint violation. This is a very important question for exam point of view, so let's understand it. There are three basic update operations. First one is insert, delete and update, also called the modify. Whenever these operations are performed, the DBMS ensures that all integrity constraints like domain, key, entity integrity and referential integrity are maintained. So let's start with the insert operation. Insert is used to add a new row into a table. It works by inserting values either for all attributes or only selected attributes. Now possible constraint violation. Domain constraint occur if the value does not match the data type, and key constraint occur if we insert a duplicate primary key, and entity integrity is violated if the primary key is null. Now referential integrity is violated if a foreign key refers to a not existing value. Now how DMS handle this? Usually it rejects the insertion and shows an error message. If some cases default values may be applied. Now let's move to the delete operation. Delete is used to remove rows from a table based on the condition. The main issue here is referential integrity. If the deleted row is referenced by another table, it creates inconsistency. To handle this, DBMS provide options. First is restricted, means which reject the deletion. Second one is cascade, which delete all related rows automatically. And third one is set null or set default, which update the foreign key values. Now let's move to the update operation. In update operation, it is used to modify existing values in a table. Constraint violation here include key constraint, referential integrity and domain constraint. For example, updating a primary key to a duplicate value or changing a foreign key incorrectly. So this is how you have to write in the examination. One more thing is that to handling this violation, how DBMS reject this invalid updates. So if the key are involved, cascading update may be applied if enabled. Saved update like changing non-key attribute are allowed after the validation. So in this conclusion, insert add data, delete remove data and update modify the data. And the DBMS ensure that all operation maintain data integrity. So this is how you have to explain in the examination to get the full marks. If you want these notes, the link of the WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is given in the description box. You go and check it from there. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.